Okay, so I'm going to show you how you would solve 40% of the number 208 because this looks very similar to the questions I've been posting in the mental math section. Now, I don't know what 40% of 208 is just by looking at it, but if I think back to what we talked about in class, we did talk about 50% of a number, and 50% of a number will help us solve this question. So if we do 50% of 208, that is just the same as taking 208 and splitting it in half. So I'd get 104. And then if I think about how 50% relates to 40%, well, to get to 40%, I could do 50% take away 10%, which is equal to 40%. Now this is helpful too because we also talked about what 10% of a number is. So in order to find 40%, I need a 50% and a 10%. Well, I already have my 50%. So to find 10% of a number, well, I would do 10% of 208. And when we find 10% of a number, we just take the decimal in the number and move it one spot to the left. So this would be 20.8. So now I have what 50% of 208 is and what 10% is, which is what I need to solve the question. So I have 20.8 for the 10%. So if I look back, well, I'm going to find the answer by doing 50% take away 10%. And 50% is 104. 10% is 20.8. And if I subtract these numbers, I'm going to get 83.2, which is in fact equal to the 40%. So if we look here, 104 take away 20.8 is 83.2. So we'd have 83.2. So 40% of 208 is 83.2. This is probably the easiest strategy to solve the question because we've done lots of work with 50% and 10%. So if you're stuck on how to do these questions, this is the strategy I would say is the most effective to find the answer.